Hey everyone, let's dive into the fascinating world of ray optics and optical instruments. So, ray optics is basically the study of how light travels in straight lines and interacts with objects. It's super important for understanding how lenses and optical instruments work, and it's a key topic in your CBSE syllabus. First, let's talk about reflection and refraction. Reflection is when light bounces off a surface, like a mirror. Refraction is when light bends as it passes from one medium to another, like from air to water. These are the fundamental principles. Refractive index is a measure of how much light bends when it enters a material. It's the ratio of the speed of light in a vacuum to its speed in the medium. Higher refractive index means more bending. Now, let's move on to lenses. Lenses are curved pieces of glass or plastic that bend light to form images. Convex lenses bring light rays together, while concave lenses spread them out. They are used everywhere. This is the lens maker's formula, 1 f equals n-1 times 1 over r1 minus 1 over r2. F is the focal length, n is the refractive index, and r1 and r2 are the radii of curvature. Remember this formula. Optical instruments are devices that use lenses and mirrors to help us see things better. Think microscopes, telescopes, and even our own eyes. They rely on the principles of ray optics. Here's another important formula. Magnification, m, equals minus v over u. V is the image distance, and u is the object distance. The negative sign tells us if the image is inverted. Here's a crucial point. Always use the Cartesian sign convention consistently. This is where many students make mistakes, so be extra careful and draw diagrams to help you. Let's work through an example problem. A convex lens has a focal length of 20 centimeters, and an object is placed 30 centimeters away. Where is the image formed? Using the lens formula, we find that the image is formed 60 centimeters from the lens. Ray optics and optical instruments have tons of real-world applications. Microscopes help doctors see tiny bacteria, and telescopes allow us to explore distant galaxies. This knowledge is super useful. Here are some quick exam tips. Practice drawing ray diagrams. Double-check your sign conventions. And most importantly, practice solving problems. To summarize, ray optics describes light as rays. Lenses refract light to form images. And optical instruments use lenses and mirrors to magnify or enhance vision. And remember, all of this, AI notes, doubt solving, practice tests for ray optics and optical instruments, is free on Synapse. Study smarter, not harder. Start your free trial today at synapse.omups.in. Master ray optics and optical instruments for your CBSE exams. Please subscribe to our channel for more free lessons. Visit synapse.omups.in and start learning today.